Alex, flex him a little right. Flex him a little right. Good. Now don't look for the lead. Come back. Oh. Half halt with your thigh. Good. That was actually really good, Alex. And around to the table. Good ride, Alex. He's cute. And walk. Very nice, Alex. Alex, don't get ahead of him. Let's see how this goes. That was a nice ride. Keep him quiet. Good ride. Still the reins are a little long. That was really good, Betsy. Stay open with your hips, Alex. Very good. Next time, Shauna, over the exit.